All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our next problem set. In this one, again, looking at something that's in the radio waves region, just because, it's a popular form of consumed media. So, this may be a station, may not be a station. These are random numbers, but it's at least in the range of things you've heard of before. If we're looking at the energy of electromagnetic wave or EM wave, then we need to know the frequency of that wave. And notice I've left some space here. So we have 98.7 megahertz means 10 to the 6 or just millions of hertz. And then this multiplies by something called Planck's constant. And so Planck's constant is represented by the letter H. It has a few different formats depending on what types of units we're looking for. And because we're looking for something called electron volts, which is important for electron transitions and looking at things like lasers and X-rays, um, because this is electron volts, then we want the version of Planck's constant that uses electron volts. So we have 4.14 times 10 to the negative 15 electron volts times seconds. So that's Planck's constant. The units are, combination of things like they usually are for constants, and like we've seen before, that usually happens so that we can cancel out most of the other units and only leave over a particular type of answer. That's going to happen again here. Remember, hertz means per second, seconds to -1 or 1 over seconds. Either way you look at hertz, it's going to cancel with these seconds. It leaves electron volts, which again is what we're trying to get to. And so overall, we just need to multiply these. Unfortunately, if you're not super happy with scientific notation, we've got a fair bit of it here and some in the next part. Um, but hopefully at this point in the semester, you're reasonably comfortable with scientific notation. So running in and multiplying those, I believe there's 4 decimal places on the answer key. So 4.0862 times 10 to the -7. Oops, electron volts, but it's going to be a little e.